Welcome to Back Third Acre. Let's take a tour. It's amazing what you can do with such a small piece of land. Here we have our rhubarb patch. We've got a fantastic crop already. It's amazing what horse manure and seaweed will do. This is a persimmon tree, and our mint has gone a little while underneath there. We also put some netting over our blueberries to keep the birds from eating them. This is our cherry tree. We got a great crop of cherries for the first time this year. However, the raccoons did get the last few. I expanded the garden out in January, and so far we got a great crop of snap peas. There's also green onions, a couple kinds of kale, some sunflowers, romaine lettuce, potatoes, and then further over we got green and purple bush beans, faba beans, pak choy and su choy. Again, more sunflowers and some white borage, which I'm absolutely loving this year. Got some squash growing in over here on the tarp so that we keep the buttercup under control. Got a couple apple trees in there and a very large flower garden. Some tomatoes growing on the outside of the greenhouse and a few little cucumbers just getting going. Oh, let's see what's in here. Peppers, 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 and lots of tomatoes. A few cucumber, Kajari melons, and a little bit of basil just getting ready to go. There's the beehive. Got 2 set up this year. Hoping for some honey. Right now the blackberries are blooming, so they're bringing in lots of nectar. There's a garlic patch. Just harvested the scapes, so looks like there's some of the lower leaves dying off. We should get some more garlic this year. This is a new area of the chicken coop I just finished, and we've got 8 chickens in there, 3 old ones and 5 16-week-olds. They're just learning to get along. Looks like things are going well. Had to cut down this big bamboo plant. My summer project will be to dig it out. There's the other side of the flower bed. Now moving over to the quail. I have 11 Cotornix quail, so getting between 8 and 9 eggs a day. I hatch them out in the spring and sell chicks and hatching eggs, and then sell eating eggs as well for the rest of the year. It's the old chicken coop that I'm in the process of dismantling, and it will become a raspberry patch. There's an apple tree and some squash underneath. more white borage for the pollinators. Fig tree, tomatoes, some more beans in there, squash, got some butternut squash to grow up that trellis there, and some cucumbers, more tomatoes, and some onions in front. An Italian prune plum tree right there. There's our house. This big massive tree coming into view is a green gauge plum, probably 100 years old. Usually we get about 100 pounds of plums off of it in a strawberry patch in front. And there's big. Let's head back up towards the house. I hope you can see what you can really accomplish with a small piece of land and make use of it and forward your goals around sustainability.